This video is for helping kids manage toothbrushing. Now, if you're struggling with toothbrushing for reasons of sensory aversion, anxiety, maybe thoroughness, a really interesting and very outside the box trick to try is to use technology. There is an app called the Brush Up app that is very fun and very engaging for kids. So if you haven't tried the Brush Up app, I would give it a whirl. See if this helps your child feel a little bit more comfortable and at ease with toothbrushing, because sometimes kids that really are excited by technology find this type of a pathway to really helping learn and manage these kind of ADLs. So try the Brush Up app and see if it helps.
Put them back up on the shelf. Just a little bit.